Juglans nigra, commonly known as black walnut, is a deciduous tree native to North America. It is widely distributed in the eastern United States and parts of Canada. To identify Juglans nigra, let's look at the following key characteristics. 1. Leaf arrangement. The leaves are arranged in an alternate pattern on the stem, meaning that each leaf is positioned singly along the twig, rather than in pairs or clusters. 2. Leaf shape and size. Black walnut leaves are compound leaves, meaning each leaf is composed of several smaller leaflets. Typically, there are 11 to 23 leaflets per leaf. The leaflets are lance-shaped, elongated, and serrated along the edges, and they can measure 2 to 4 inches long. 3. Bark. The bark of mature black walnut trees is dark brown to blackish and deeply furrowed, forming a distinctive diamond-shaped pattern. 4. The fruit. The fruit of Juglans nigra is a vibrant green color when fresh and will darken to a blackish hue as they mature in age. Beneath the exterior rind is the black walnut nut, which is round and about 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. It has a thick, hard shell that is difficult to crack and contains a rich, flavorful kernel inside. And lastly, 5. Habitat. Black walnut trees are often found in moist, rich soils along riverbanks, streams, and mixed hardwood forests. Please note, some people are allergic to black walnuts and should avoid their consumption or use altogether. That said, let's get into the ethnobotanical uses of this fascinating species. The leaves can be scattered about the house to dispel fleas and other insects. As for the bark, a poultice can be applied to alleviate headaches. A strong tea has reportedly been employed to remove intestinal bile, and the fresh bark can be chewed to help alleviate toothaches. The sap can be used in applications for inflammations, and the juice from the green hulls of the fruit can be rubbed over areas infected by ringworm. Additionally, the aged fruits can be used to make a dye useful for staining fabrics, textiles, or in this case, baskets. This simply involves letting the fruits sit in a bath of water and decompose for a period of time, and the dye can last for years. Careful though, it will most certainly stain your hands and anything else it touches. The nuts. The nuts can be eaten plain, raw, or roasted, and traditionally have been accompanied by honey or maple syrup. The nut oil can be used as a topical application to promote hair health. It has also been used as a deterrent for mosquitoes. Interestingly, in both these cases, the oil has traditionally been mixed with bear oil, though perhaps it's best to leave the bear out of these recipes. The nuts have also historically been crushed and mixed with cornmeal, beans, berries, flour, or other ingredients and made into bread or pemmican. Furthermore, the fresh meats can be crushed, boiled, and the resulting liquid makes for a tasty beverage, especially when mixed with something sweet.